Welcome to this GE Frame 6 alignment overview video. A GE Frame 6 is a gas turbine, and a gas turbine alignment is a type of machine train alignment because three different skids are being aligned. On a GE Frame 6, there is an accessory skid which is coupled to the turbine skid. The turbine skid is then coupled to the load gear to generator skid. With any machine train alignment, we must take all the readings first. We take the readings at the accessory to turbine coupling, and then the readings at the turbine and the load gear to generator coupling. We must make sure we have all the as-found readings before doing anything. Once we take these readings, we examine them so that we can see the alignment as a whole. Then, we incorporate the coupling targets. We will have a target for the accessory to turbine coupling, and also a target for the turbine to the load gear coupling. We must consider our as-found readings by combining them with these targets. Based off that line, we will be able to make all alignment calculations to move the machine train to the optimal alignment position. Always make as few moves as possible. 9 times out of 10, we will not want to make any moves to the turbine. Most likely, we will align the accessory skid to the turbine and then the load gear generator skid to the turbine skid. To make the moves, we will make all our vertical moves first. We make the vertical moves by adding or removing shims to either side of all 3 of the skids. After making the vertical adjustments, we make the horizontal moves. We do this by jacking over the skids to the left or the right to get them to the optimal alignment position. After completing all the moves, we're done with aligning the skids. We can now align the components on the individual skids to each other. Nothing has to be done to the turbine because the turbine is the only element on the skid. On the accessory skid, we will line up the starting motor to the accessory gear and then line up the lube oil pump to the accessory gear if there is one. On the load gear to generator skid, we will line up the generator to the load gear. Once these alignments are done, the entire machine train alignment is complete. At this point, we will take alignment readings at both the couplings and at all the other components to have a final as-left set of alignment readings. We must always end on a reading, never on a move. That's how we complete a GE Frame 6 gas turbine alignment. Thank you for watching.